Hi friends, here is the poinsettia flower tutorial that I promised y'all. And all you're going to need for this is some ribbon. I have 2.5-inch wired ribbon that I'm using. It's a red velvet, scissors, hot glue, and I have cut 5 8-inch strips and cut them into points. Cut from the pointed end towards your fold, and that gives you the points as opposed to a dovetail. So I've got 5, and again, I started at 8 inches. Pull up in the center to create your mountain, then pull your sides in, and you get this little bow tie with that nice crisp kind of a crease. You're going to do this to all 5 of your ribbons, and you're just going to nestle them in next to one another. And if you have issues with your hands, you can use a little clip. So again, pull up in the center to create a mountain, and then bring the sides into your mountain, and then nestle it up right next to one another. So you're just kind of stacking them, holding them in the center. So I'm just going to put a little clip on here. It makes it easier. Anyway, I'm just going to do the same thing to the last 2, nestle it in there, and then grab the last one, and you're just going to pull up from the center, create a mountain into the sides, attach it all together. And oh, you do need one more thing. I forgot. I'm going to attach it with some floral wire. So you do need something to tie it with. A zip tie, floral wire, pipe cleaner, anything. So I'm just going to wrap that right around the center and pull it as tight as I can get it. This velvet ribbon is kind of stiff, so you got to kind of pull it. Then you're just going to manipulate it like you do any bow. Pull it around so that you kind of lose that crease kind of that you had, and make it look like a poinsettia. And you're just going to keep kind of like crisping up those little ridges that pulling it the way I told you to with the mountain works. Then you want to put something in the center to cover up your wire, but also to make it pretty. And I'm just using little white beads that I pulled from my stash. And I'm doing 3 because I do things in 3s. So I'm just adding 3 small little white balls to the center to make it look pretty and festive. And there you have it. How easy is that? Now you can also glue each of the sides together if you want, and it makes it more cohesive. That's totally optional. So anyway, that's all there is to it. I hope you make some of your own. They're so pretty.